The landscape of Antarctica is a frozen wasteland for most, but nestled within the Taylor Glacier is a phenomenon that chills even the hardiest explorers to the bone. Blood Falls, a waterfall that appears to bleed from the icy cliffs, has captivated onlookers since its discovery. As the ice shifts, a crimson liquid oozes out, stark against the pristine white, resembling the lifeblood of the land itself. Many have speculated its origins, from tales of ancient, trapped organisms to the supernatural. However, the truth is both fascinating and macabre. Deep beneath the glacier, a network of subglacial lakes, cut off from the surface for millennia, harbors water rich in iron. When this isolated reservoir interacts with the oxygen on the surface, it oxidizes, much like blood from a fresh wound. This fiery exchange stains the water a grotesque red. Visuals shift from the unsettling red cascade to the relentless journey of explorers hacking through ice, their breath visible in the bitter cold. Animated sequences reveal microscopic life forms preserved and thriving in harsh conditions, drawing comparisons to possible extraterrestrial life on other planets. Through expert commentary, we peel back the layers of ice to uncover the science behind the spectacle. The historical lens shows us the curious eyes of the past, explorers who first marveled at and feared the sanguine flow. They're juxtaposed with modern scientists, utilizing cutting-edge technology to study and demystify the phenomenon. The video reaches a crescendo with a montage of blood falls and similar sightings across the globe, illuminated by infographics tracing the iron-rich streams to past geological disruptions. As footage of the unending red trickle fades, the narrative leaves viewers questioning the secrets buried within Earth's most remote and inhospitable terrains. The crimson curtain of blood falls not only reveals a natural marvel but echoes the mysteries still hidden within our planet's icy heart.